Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, dude.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi. Ya kan? Posisi masih di Labuhan Haji nih. Di Labuhan Haji. Lagi nunggu nih. Nah, daftarnya jam 8 mungkin udah buka. Di tiket ya. Lagi nunggu keberangkatan. Ini jam 6 kurang. Nunggu keberangkatan, nanti malam berangkatnya mungkin habis sisa. Jadi kita rekam tipis-tipis semua nih kan. Semoga aman terkendali. Soalnya nyari pelabuhan ini macam nyari duit payahnya. Nengok pelabuhannya. Gerbang pelabuhannya guys. Nanti kok udah agak terang sedikit, kita rekam lagi ya kan. Kita masuk daerah-daerah situ. Terus kita ngitar jam 8 baru kita masuk daftar. Atau setengah 9, oke? Intinya tahu kan? Semangat, oke. Semangat, oke.
Gonna look back, 'cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. Don't wanna sleep in, 'cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex.
Halo guys, kembali lagi channel. Tahu kan channel apa? Ini lagi di mana nih? Di Labuhan Haji. Belum berangkat lagi nih, malam. Enak pemandangan dulu kan. Kapal-kapal bersandar. Mantap nih. Minta tolong fotoin. Segan kali lah ya kan. Nggak kenal ya. Nanti nih ada kapal apa nih? Kapal dinas perhubungan lah. Yes. Lagi di pinggir pantai. Ada. Lagi minum air kapal. Nengok pemandangannya. Ini dia pemandangannya. Laut lepas guys. Kita lagi minum air kelapa pakai sirup kurnia, oke. Kapal belum sampai ya kan. Semangat, oke. Halo guys, kita mau beli tiket nih di Labuhan Haji.
Kita rencananya mau bisnis, tapi kita nggak tahu nih ekonomis atau bisnis.
Oh, kelas bisnis.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back, so I'll...
Gimana Bang Tikam?
Halo guys, kan tadi kami tiket ya. Orang 5, kendaraan 1. Ini posisi ramai kali, 250 orang. Kan saya bilang, akhirnya saya bilang enggak.
Dah, gitu aja. Ucapan terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off and
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share.
we're all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.